Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make yogurt melts at home. First, select a good quality plain whole milk yogurt. You'll want to ensure it's thick for the best texture. Next, prepare your fruit puree or juice to add natural sweetness and vibrant color. Finally, grab a piping bag or a simple Ziploc bag with a corner snipped off. This will make forming your melts much easier. Now, let's get to mixing. In a bowl, combine 1 cup of your chosen yogurt with about 2 tablespoons of your fruit puree. If you prefer a sweeter treat, you can add 1 teaspoon of maple syrup or honey. Stir everything together thoroughly until the mixture is completely smooth and there are no lumps. This ensures a consistent texture for your finished melts. With your mixture ready, it's time to pipe. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Using your piping bag, create small dots, approximately 1/2 inch in diameter. Make sure to leave a little space between each one so they don't freeze together. Once all your dots are piped, place the tray in the freezer for at least 1 hour or until they are completely solid. Once your yogurt melts are perfectly frozen, carefully peel them off the parchment paper. Transfer them into an airtight container or a freezer-safe bag. They will stay fresh and delicious in your freezer for up to 2 months, ready for a quick snack anytime. Remember to check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade yogurt melts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.